motherfucker. Believe these recording niggas. I don't give a fuck. Niggas wildin' in the spotlight. What the fuck is up? Got bitches, my niggas, everything poppin'. Money, my triggers, everything's poppin'.
The Glock cock, you niggas see me got 2 phones. Like that nigga 2 Chainz, like Home Alone. Never that, because pockets stay fat. Niggas wanna rap, they don't want the half attack. Nigga half black, half Rican, and I party on the weekend. A matter of fact, make that every day, cause niggas come around my way, niggas gon' spray. Nigga, I don't give a fuck what fucking day it is. It could be a Sunday or a Monday. We gon' do what we do.
Hey yo, kill 'em on Sunday. Silence don't play, wordplay, look how I switch it up. Nah man, you bitching up. See them niggas on the block, I'm about to really hit 'em up. Niggas talking all that shit, what they talking when I roll up? Y'all already know what I be smoking. Eyes be bleeding, looking like my Harley Sunshine. Man, my girl look like a fucking pretty clover. Pull one dog, your luck might really be over.
It's over. I'm never sober. I stay drunk like a motherfucking skunk. I stay high as a pump that be flying in the sky with mad flying miles. Nigga, I'm flying than that nigga, mad pipe miles. Niggas see me in a while, I've been wild since a child. Now niggas got the freestyle, popping on the mic. Yeah, we dropping niggas on here.
Yo,
let me stop.
Oh yo, it's country in your flesh. SQB, Dorchester boy, you ain't know now. It's silence the code. 27 shots, take another one. Now watch shawty. Hey, you know how we do when we fucking party. I'm from the Boston city where them boys go loco. Man, niggas pull up guns and bust your ass. You ain't know we don't fuck around. This the city where niggas get down. It's the state where they learn everything. Them boys fucking now.
Niggas can't afford steak, but they wanna hate. You can't even come through my front gate unless you got the tray 8. Niggas know me, all my niggas strapped on the scene. I'm in the beam with the green 215. You see me on the scene, but yet and still you wanna hate with your mans and your girls. Nigga, your girl rock my world, but yet and still, nigga, you copping the pearls and I'm taking that, running it back to the pawn shop. Yeah, it's been on, but yet and still
I don't
the block
know
hot.
why these dudes wanna come around me when they phony. Niggas know what snitches be like. I don't know why these homies wanna talk about me and my dog like we don't bust through the night. Come on, it's Boston City, a city. I know your niggas don't like this beat, but we be bustin' out, making this money. Hoping that you haters out.
Ain't shit funny. Yo, ain't shit funny, but I'm still hungry. Niggas been eating since I was a kid, but I'm still hungry. Niggas tryna get it, yes and still I got you fitted. Nigga tryna come around here, you better get with it. Get your lessons up, learn a lot, nigga, earn a lot. Because I'm around here tryna get a perm and a little bit. Nigga, I got a little hit, but I got a little bitch that's ready to get it poppin' with the whole crew.
Yo,
What you gonna do?
I'm like Napoleon. Fuck around and get your car blown. We cover our mouths to talk, cause the feds has the phone. You get your ass blown, thrown in the sea with a fist bone, or one in your dome in front of your home. I'm on the ride with the chrome, and I ain't talking about the spinning rim. The thing that make your body slim if you survive by a shot being sprayed by one of them. I'm known to roll with dudes.